Hello.
Hello, teacher Mario. I'm from Vietnam.
Very good, Bob. If you say you're 5, can you find me this number? Where is number 5? Stand up, show me. Yes, that's good. And you say you're from Vietnam, so show me where is Vietnam?
Vietnam.
That's very good. Thank you, Bob. Now let's talk about some colors. What color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. What about this?
Red.
What color is that?
Apple.
Uh-huh. And what is this color?
White.
White. Very good, Bob. Now let's talk about what you see. What do you see?
One ball.
I see.
I see one ball.
You see one ball. What do you see?
I see two apples.
2 apples. Very good. How about now? Tell me, Bob. What do you see?
I see three fish.
See 3 fish. Very good. Tell me, how many fish do you see now?
I see three fish.
3, huh?
And two fish.
2 fish. Very good. Tell me, how many cars do you see?
Cycle.
I
I
see
see cycle.
cars. Good job. Tell me, how many cars do you see now?
I see three cars.
3 cars. Very good. Now let's talk about monkeys. How many monkeys do
I
you see?
see
6.
six monkeys.
6.
Six.
Okay. How many monkeys do you see now?
Four.
I see 4 monkeys.
I see four monkeys.
Very nice. How many monkeys do you see?
Three monkeys.
3 monkeys. How many monkeys do you see now?
Four.
4. Very nice. Okay. Good job. Give me a high five, Bob. Goodbye.
What is it?